Let's have a look at this beautiful bulldozer. It's a Cat D6T. It's 3D printed and assembled and designed also by this guy called Lasse. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Make sure you check it out. So this is all 3D printed. Relatively heavy. It's I think it weighs in at 8 kilos or something like that. It's got electrical actuators for the blade and also for the ripper. So there's a lot of scale details on this one. A lot of room for lights. I want to add that myself later, so it's just empty. Let's have a look inside. It's got a full interior, and that doesn't leave too much room for my stuff, but we'll see what we can do. So he has filled it up with weights. It's got 5 ESCs, one for each belt and then one for each actuator. And I'm going to have quite the challenge to fit everything I want to inside. I need a receiver. It's the FrSky X8R. Maybe over there. And then the sound module from the DIY guy 999, I think. I'll leave a description for him too. So this is going to fill up quite nicely. Battery 3S 2300, maybe over there. The speaker. A connection to power the sound system, and of course the SBus cable. So as you see, this is going to fill up way too much. So I have to do some customization here. And I will run everything from this Radiomaster TX16S. So, if you guys hit the subscribe button and maybe tickle the bell, you will get a heads up for my next video, which will include customization, how to fit everything in here. Hopefully I don't have to get rid of any of the weights. And then of course the mixing of the Radiomaster.